Here's Meneses serving. They lead by 3. The reverse. Caught. Hulikan. Saan ka pupunta? Points now by the Foxies. Yes, we've adjusted our score as well. 19-14. Quick set. Combination play on target.
That was the first combination play from the Farm Fresh Foxies. Capital One, so that was a good target for her.
21-15 tally here. Dink. Kept in play by Colinada. Iris gets to it. Galang shoots away. Coming together in this game, the Pito, the youngest, the rookie. Aragalan is hidden by the combination plays, actually. And she has good movement on the floor, but look at this. The veteran continues to power her way through. So too many things happening at the same time. Marami masyado. Dalawa lang yung kamay niya. Baon. Regalo. Bit of a joust, not firm. And that is inside. 7-4 count here.
Good defense.
Nice reverse.
Hulog.
Nicely done. And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakikilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Now, Rosada.
Service ace. Good start for
No, she did not.
Farm Fresh for this game.
Ronquillo has been brought back in anew for Capital One. This serve long. It looked long. 24-12. Set point. 1 set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious 5th set to decide on who will take this game on tour.
Good first ball.
Good catch. Bang! Yeah, and that good first ball created Ciara.
Service ace.
Number 3 yata yun.
I think it was number 3.
But the player of the game with 14 points off of 8 attacks, 3 blocks, and 3 aces is of course none other than Ara Galang from the Farm Fresh Foxies. 5 sets, Ara. We were talking about it earlier na sabi mo you hadn't had a lot of playing time. But in this game, you had a lot on your plate, a lot of action coming from you. What was going on in your head when you had to catch up from during the latter part of the match?
Yun lang, mindset ko lang kasi makakontribute sa team para manalo eh. Gagawin ko lang yung best ko, yung makakaya ko para may positive impact sa loob ng court. So yun, thankful ako na nakapag-perform naman ako ng maayos at nanalo kami.
And you know, speaking of impact, yung impact na meron yung Farm Fresh, and syempre ikaw with, you know, the team and the crowd as well. I just want to ask, like, what goes on in your head kapag, let's say, when people say Ara Galang, a lot of people scream, right, Victoria City? So, madami talagang sumisigaw. Anong klaseng pasasalamat, klaseng saya na nangyayari sa'yo when you hear that?
Actually, nakaka-goosebumps pa rin eh. Siyempre, nakakatuwa at sobrang nakakataba ng puso na maraming sumusuporta sa akin at sa team. Yun, very thankful, grateful ako sa lahat.
And syempre, meron ka bang mga gustong batiin, yung mga nanonood, mga sumubaybay at sumuporta?
Yes, syempre binabati ko lahat na nandito sa Victoria City. Maraming salamat po sa pagnood ng live at maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta sa amin sa Farm Fresh. Sir Frank Lau and family, maraming salamat po. And sa family ko sa Pampanga, Salas, Galang.
Ara, congratulations, and to the rest of the Farm Fresh Foxies. 7 Paneng, what else do we have up?